प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम क्लास 9th का मैथमेटिक्स में चैप्टर नंबर 8 क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स की एक्सरसाइज 8.2 के बाकी बचे हुए क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। देखिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है ए बी सी डी इज ए रेक्टेंगल and PQRS are midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and D respectively. Show that the quadrilateral PQRS is a rhombus. ABCD एक रेक्टेंगल दिया हुआ है, PQR और S इसके मिड पॉइंट्स हैं, तो हमें प्रूव करना है PQRS एक रोम्बस है, यानी कि हमें प्रूव करना है PQ इज इक्वल टू SR इज इक्वल टू RQ इज इक्वल टू PS. सो व्हाट वी हैव गिवन, फर्स्ट हम पहले वो देखते हैं। वी हैव गिवन दैट ए बी सी डी इज ए रेक्टेंगल, पी क्यू आर एंड एस आर द midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and AD. We have to prove that PQRS is a rhombus. Let in triangle ACD, अब ACD में मेरे पास क्या है, S is the midpoint of AD, R is the midpoint of CD. So by midpoint theorem we get SR is parallel to AC and SR is equal to half of AC. Similarly, in triangle ABC, we get PQ is parallel to AC and PQ is equal to half of AC. This implies PQ is parallel to SR and PQ is equal to SR, and this implies PQRS is a parallelogram. We have given that ABCD is a rectangle. So AD is equal to BC, and so half of AD is equal to half of BC, and this implies AS is equal to BQ. अब देखिए, हाफ ऑफ AD, AS ले लिया मैंने, हाफ ऑफ और BC का हाफ मैंने क्या ले लिया, BQ. नाउ लेट इन ट्रायंगल APS and triangle BPQ we have APS and BPQ. अब इसमें हमारे पास क्या क्या इक्वल है, AP is equal to BP. AP is equal to BP. Since P is the midpoint of, since P is the midpoint of AB, or angle PAS is equal to PBQ. Each 90 रेक्टेंगल है क्योंकि, तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल दोनों 90 के होंगे. एंगल PAS, एंगल PBQ ईच 90. और एक और चीज बराबर है AS इज इक्वल टू BQ. अभी हमने ऊपर प्रूव किया है, already proved. So triangle APS is congruent to triangle BPQ. कौन सी कॉन्ग्रुएंसी हो गई है? SAS. So by CPCT, congruent parts of congruent triangles, PS is equal to PQ. PS is equal to PQ, लेकिन PQ किसके बराबर है? SR के, तो इक्वल हो गए. एंड thus we get PQ is equal to QR is equal to SR is equal to PS, and this implies PQRS is a rhombus. और ये proved. Question number 4. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD, BD is a diagonal, and E is the midpoint of AD. A line is drawn through E parallel to AB intersecting BC at F. Show that F is the midpoint of BC. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD, BD is a diagonal, E is the midpoint of AD. A line is drawn from E parallel to AB intersecting BC at F. तो EF हमें प्रूव करना, F is the midpoint of BC. So what we have given? We have given that ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. E is the midpoint of AD, and a line is drawn from E, which is parallel to AB and meets BC at F. We have to prove that F is the midpoint of BC. Let G is the point of intersection of BD diagonal and EF. Since we have given that E is the midpoint of AB and EF is parallel to AB, so by converse of midpoint, since we have given that E is the midpoint of AB and EG is parallel to AB, so by converse of midpoint theorem we get G is the midpoint of BD. Now let in triangle BCD, since G is the midpoint of BD and GF is parallel to DC. अब देखिए ए भी पैरेलल दिया हुआ है ना हमें DC के, since AB is parallel to CD, so by converse of midpoint theorem we get F is the midpoint of BC. Proved. तो ये थे बच्चों हमारे एक्सरसाइज 8.2 के क्वेश्चन। बाकी बचे हुए क्वेश्चन हम कल सॉल्व करेंगे। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, हैव ए नाइस डे।